Okay, this is my Tamiya Monster Beetle re-release 2015. I did some important changes to this car. The most important change is that I put the MIP differential gear. Without it, the car is worthless with a brushless motor because it makes the original gears go crazy. And with the MIP gears, the car is really perfect. She does also wheelies, and it's very powerful. I do drive it on 2S, also on 3S, it's no problem. I don't use it for high speeds, but for bashing around. You can use the car also to run some fast runs. It's a very nice car, I like it very much. I did some other stuff to this car, so I put some nice stuff on it to look not so boring. Here is my wheelie bar. It's really amazing. The car do wheelies. The suspension is very good on it also. I did use on it a 68 ampere escape and 4000 kV brushless motor, and as I said, I can run it on 2S or also on 3S. It's really nice car in my collection. I will run it some time and then I'm gonna put it on the shelf to my collection. Now inside is a 3S lipo. It's very powerful. You need to be very careful if you need to use or if you want to use a 3S lipo with this car, but only with the MIP gear. Without this MIP gear, it is impossible to drive this car on 3S.